In today's video, I am going to teach you how to add HTML code to Godaddy Website Builder. To begin, open your Godaddy website and click Edit Site. This will take you into the Godaddy Website Builder editor, where you can make changes to your pages and sections. Once you are inside the editor, go to the exact page where you want the HTML code to appear. It is important to choose the correct page first, especially if your website has multiple pages with different layouts. Next, find the section of the page where you want to place the custom code. This helps you control exactly where the HTML block will show up on the live site. After that, click the Add Section button. This is the orange plus icon you will see on the page layout canvas. Clicking it opens the section library, where you can add different types of content to your page. When the panel opens on the right side, use the search bar and type HTML. If you prefer, you can also scroll down through the available categories until you reach Files and Web, then select HTML from there. This is the section type designed for inserting custom HTML code into your site. Once you find it, click Add. This will place a new HTML section directly onto your page. After the section is added, look again to the right-hand settings panel. You should see a field labeled Custom Code. This is where you will paste your raw HTML or script code. Make sure you paste the code carefully and exactly as intended so it can render properly. If needed, you can also adjust the section settings before finishing. For example, you may want to add a title to help identify the section, or set a specific pixel height. This can be useful if you are embedding a widget, frame, or other custom element that needs a certain amount of space to display correctly. Once everything looks good, click Done at the top of the panel to save the section settings. Then go to the top right corner of the editor and click Publish. Publishing is the final step that makes your custom HTML code live on your website, so be sure not to skip it. After your site is published, your new HTML section should be active and visible on the live page. That covers everything you need to know.